Okay, let's get started with Claude. Today we're going to do an intro video on some of the basics, setting up your account, downloading some software, really getting ready to use it before you start using it. So step one is go to Claude's website. You can see I'm at claude.ai/login. You can go to claude.ai and it'll probably redirect you there. If you're not logged in, if you are logged in, your screen may look like this. It may say welcome and your name here. Mine says boss because I find it funny. You can make your name whatever you want to name yourself and it will call you that. So from the login page, if you have an account, log in. If not, set one up. This should be a fairly straightforward step, just creating your account. Yeah, at first you can start with a free account. I'd recommend you pay for it over time. As you do use it more, you get more features with that, you get more security, so it's probably worth doing. So either way, start in the browser, start at their homepage, and create the account. After you're logged in, your page should look more like this one, where you'll be logged in. You have this menu on the side you can open and close. I'm at claude.ai/new in my browser tab, and I could start using Claude right here, the same way I use ChatGPT or Copilot or Grok or Gemini or all the other ones. This is one place you can use it, very straightforward. It's a great place to start. But as you want to use more things, and even I'd say right away, you probably just want to download their other software because you'll find yourself using it pretty fast and it's more powerful. The desktop app is really a good way to use it because it has more features. It can use your computer, use your browser, use your files. It can do a lot more. So to do that, we're going to click down here in the bottom left menu, and we're going to go to Get Apps and Extensions. Get Apps and Extensions in the browser. Click that. It takes you to claude.ai/downloads. And here are a lot of the ways you can use Claude. One of the most valuable things Claude is doing is making it so easy to use by creating all these different ways to use it. So we're going to start with the desktop app. You can see there's Microsoft Office plugins. There's Claude Code plugins. We won't do those today. You may want to do that, but we'll get to that later. Desktop we will definitely do today. Chrome extension we'll definitely do today. And mobile app we won't do today, but you probably should install it. It connects to your account and you can then use it in multiple places. You can even use your desktop computer through the Claude mobile app because of how Claude Cowork works. So step one, mine says download for Mac. Yours may say download for Windows, but download your software and install it. Like you'd install any other software, you're installing this on your computer. This is what will give it a lot more power to do a lot more things. So you can see my instructions here on how to install on a Mac, but again, just follow the instructions to get it installed. And then you'll give it some permission, and you'll see a screen like this after you go through those steps. So download the software, follow the steps, log into your account. You'll have to log into this account separately from the one on the desktop, or on the browser, sorry. So here you are. I'm now logged into my desktop application. This is Claude on the desktop. So you'll see I still have my menu down here with all my settings. Top left, I have chat, I have Cowork, and I have code. Your Cowork may be grayed out and not usable yet. Just know that we will go through probably in the next video if that is an issue, how to fix that. But it may also be available at this point. So from there, you can just start using same thing. So this window, this chat window, is actually the same as this other chat window that you had here. Same thing, right? This is just chat, and this is chat also. So those are very similar features. The menu will be different sometimes in this left bar, but overall, what you do here is the same as what you do here. The browser tab with the chat, and the desktop app with the chat, and the mobile app with the chat. So those will all connect. The history will be in both places. That's chat. Cowork, this is going to be really powerful for doing a lot of different work. It can use your files and folders on your desktop. It can use your browser. It can use your computer. It can run scripts. It can do so much. And that's why we install this, because in the browser, that is not available. So you're just stuck in chat there. But here you do have Cowork and code. So it gets really powerful really fast. So once you have that installed, great. Leave that there for now. We will get back to it. Let's finish installing the other software. Next step will be to install the browser extension. Click install. It will take you to the Chrome Web Store. Your button here will probably say install or something like that. Click that. It will install your Chrome extension up here. You can see mine is already there. You can then click this puzzle piece and click the pin so that it's always there. Once it's installed, you can then log into it. So you'll see I'll be logged in already because I've been using it. But you may have to click it once and then log in here also. So then you'll be logged in the browser tab, you'll be logged in your local application, and you'll be logged in here in the Chrome extension. Now they can all work together and talk together. So as you can see, it's the same account. You just need to log in each place so it can know who you are and connect them. But from there, Claude Cowork on the desktop can use your browser too by using the Chrome extension. When you do something in chat in any place, it will be in all the places. And it's all connected and it's all very smooth. So that's a really, really powerful way to get started with those few places is the desktop app and the Chrome extension. I'd say download the mobile app. If you're on the go, if you're using your phone a lot like many of us, it's worth doing. And that will connect to those things also. And I would say to do these also if you do use Microsoft Office, if you use Excel, PowerPoint, or Word. It's pretty straightforward. You'll click the install button, you'll open it. It will install the plugin inside that software for you. It will actually look a lot like this. It'll put a panel here in Excel and in Word, and there it is. So mine's installed already. You may have to go through a couple steps to click install and follow the steps. It's fairly intuitive. It's not a complicated thing. Just follow the steps, give it the permissions, and then you'll have this ability for it to use your Excel by typing here in this window. Works the same way in Word and as I showed you before in the browser. So those are the basics of getting it installed everywhere. That's the first step for using Claude, is getting the account, log in on the browser, getting the desktop app, log in there, get the Chrome extension, log in there, and if you want to, also get the Excel and the Word versions, and then you can log in there too. And now, as I mentioned before, this is some of the real value in Claude is that you can use it in so many places. And it keeps the context in all those places. So it can then learn more about Excel and use Excel. It can learn more about your file system and use your file system in your computer. And one of the things that we'll talk a lot about is how when you give AI more context, more information, more data, and more tools to do stuff, it gets incredibly, incredibly powerful. So with that, that's the first video of just getting started, get those things done, and then we'll move on to some other stuff in this video series.